Hello, everyone. This is Divya Unnikrishnan. I'm the co-founder of NoorConnect.ai, and I come with 2 decades of experience in this field of AI. Today, I would like to talk about how AI agents are reshaping the way the business gets done. So, in this era of agentic AI, one of the quotes which Sundar Pichai sort of few days back he quoted is saying that how the conversation has gone from can we build an agent to how do we manage thousands of them? So last year was more about understanding what AI agents are, building it, and how it can sort of transform the business. But this year, it's all about how do we manage thousands of them. So before we get into how it sort of manages, let's understand briefly what's an AI agent. Most of you would definitely know this. But basically, AI agent sort of has 3 capabilities. They're able to perceive it, they're able to understand data, understand the context at real time. They're able to reason this out. They decide what actions can be based on the goals, rules, and what are the available tools. And finally, they act upon this by executing these tasks, whether it's sending emails, whether it's scheduling meetings on the calendar, or sending alerts. So some of the few capabilities of an AI agent are from autonomous decision making to end-to-end workflow automation. And through this, they're able to continuously learn and adapt themselves. And this helps in the cross-functional business impact. Now let's understand how AI agents are different from chatbots. AI agents, basically, they work autonomously within their defined scope of inputs, their boundaries, the outputs. So, across any function, if you see, they are able to automate the complete process flow from end to end. For example, if you look at sales outreach, how does it happen during this current time? A sales representative, they basically manually researches, understand who are their target customers or target leads, call them up, send them emails, follow them, and schedules a meeting with them. With AI agent now, they're able to independently handle these tasks, right from researching, personalizing, and sending them. And the best thing, this can be done in a matter of seconds. And across, if you see other functions as well, this is where an AI agent basically provides the complete automation, whether it's in customer support, resolving queries, or whether it's in reporting, or whether it's in scheduling meetings. So we need to understand that this is just not a generic chatbot. Agents are able to autonomously make these decisions. Now let's understand from a more real world impact how AI agents are being used across different functions, whether it is sales, operations, marketing, HR, legal. The point is not that which use case can an AI agent automate. The point is which of them needs that prior attention across different business units. Where do we need which are, and the best part is when we do this exercise, we also try to understand what are some of the limitations of the existing process workflow. What are some of the things which are redundant? So this is where an AI agent is able to sort of completely automate across these functions. Now, looking at some of the practical examples in different organizations, let's look at something like in finance operations in the financial services. It has been proved that a regulatory report preparation, which used to take 5 days, has actually been done by an AI agent in now 4 hours. And there's also an improvement in the invoice processing cost. Now let's come to the consumer goods industry. AI agents are, creating a lot of activities. They're automating such activities, including like monitoring the supply signals continuously. And the other area where is completely around technology and engineering, where humans involve a lot of time in QA, in understanding the testing, the rollback. So with the AI agents deployed, the release cycle has reduced from 2 weeks to 3 days. And there are a lot of other benefits as well. Now the question is, have we actually seen an impact with AI agents deployed in enterprises? Yes. According to the McKinsey, Stanford HAI, and Gartner reports of 2025, there has been a significant improvement either in the speed of execution or in terms of the reduction in the operational costs. And this in turn helps the employee productivity. And you see the numbers on the screen, right? In terms of execution, it's improved to 10 times and 40% reduction in the operational cost. Now we have understood in terms of what are AI agents, we have understood, how are they deployed, what is the benefit. But we need to ask ourselves, are we prepared for this human AI agentic system collaboration? The HBR research has come out with few pointers and how these can be sort of taken forward. As AI agents, take up these execution of these activities, human beings will focus on supervision, they'll focus on the judgment, they will also focus on relationship building, which is more on how do you build those relationships, and then finally how to handle ambiguity. So some of the pointers which needs to be defined is, first of all, the scope has to be defined. What are the expectations of that role has to be defined clearly. And this also involves in terms of what are the activities which are accountable by the humans. Humans should also understand what are the activities the agents can autonomously do it and what needs a human side approval. But the fact is that if we as humans are going to supervise these agents, we do not have those skills. We're not prepared for that organically. So that is why that capability and learning has to be implemented. And the leadership also should understand that it's not just like every AI agent for every human role. They have to build that complete system where AI agents work across different functions and they can be used across different processes. So that's where the leader's role come into play. So within the boundaries of your inputs, the rules, boundaries, this AI agents has to work, and human beings should decide, what limitations of AI agents are, where they need to challenge the agents' outputs. So this is the governance we need to put in place. After understanding all this as leaders, how do we get started on this journey? Firstly, we need to first pick up one process where the employees are spending more time, where it is broken. Then map out that process step by step. Keep it very simple. If needed, we need to tweak it and build it out. Then ask one question. Could that one agent be part of this? Could this be automated by any AI agent? Most of the cases, it is yes. If it's not, we can stick to the traditional ways of AI, dashboards, BI. And finally, we measure what is the impact of this, measure the time, what are the errors reduced, what is the team satisfaction. Keep it small and use this data to keep building more automation use cases, make it expand to the next level of business across teams. So with that, I come to the end of this presentation and would love to connect with you. You can scan my QR code and let's keep in touch. Thank you, everyone.